Hi guys, today I wanted to show how you can connect this Tribit StormBox speaker to your Android smartphone. So in order to start, we need to set this speaker into the pairing mode. So I'll flip it over, turn it on. And as you can see, as soon as it turns on, it enters the pairing mode because the power button blinks. That's how you can see it. Now we can go to the Bluetooth settings of your smartphone, tap on pair new device, and now it asks if you want to pair with Tribit StormBox. You just confirm, pair, and as you can see and as you could hear, the speaker has been successfully paired and connected to our Android smartphone. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.